DirectFix.com presents
the iPhone 4 Sync and Charge Port Replacement Guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
For more detailed instructions on how to take apart your iPhone, please refer to our iPhone 4 Take Apart Guide. With your iPhone disassembled, remove these two Phillips head screws. Now remove the home button. For more details on that, refer to our home button replacement guide. You can now remove the charge port from the frame. Remove the small rubber cap from the microphone. Replace the rubber cap onto the new charge port. After removing any adhesive covers on the new charge port, you're ready to place it into the frame. Make sure that the rubber microphone cap is placed into the opening. Secure the charge port with two small Phillips screws. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.